Good morning, everybody. So I've got a bit of a cold this morning, so I'm not going to take too much of your time up, or too much of my own time. We're basically range bound, as we have been in the last few days. Nothing different in what I'm looking at here. So the last range, bang, to bang, to bang, to bang, broke the range. Now we're in the upper range, bang, and then back down again yesterday. So there's some big swings as far as Bitcoin's concerned, from the peak to this low. So almost 4%. Can you imagine such enormous moves on anything ever? Ever. So yeah, there's a 4% move. So the expectation now, really, I suppose, would be that we move from the bottom to the top. Now we could come down to the actual bottom low here, it's just below 112,000. You've got a single drive hidden bullish divergence brewing on the money fly, sorry, on the RSI there. Again, money fly index marked off this particular low. We've moved up into the top of the range, above all moving averages as far as the data is concerned, and there is no death cross. It's all golden crossed stuff, and we're sort of moving with the 10 exponential at the moment. So honestly, probably moves back up to the top of range, 117,000. And then from there, we're hoping that we break up to the next portion of the range, 120,000. And then from there, we hope that we're doing the 1,000. See what I'm talking about? So, I mean, it's boring, isn't it? It's very boring, but this is basically where we are. So, quick basic overview for Bitcoin's weekly. Last week we closed above the 20 moving average. This week we're currently below it. It's Wednesday. It's not closed. It's just visiting. But we do really need to keep closing candles above 114, 115. Ideally, we'll be closing 117 really, and we'll be back in business. Remember that the weekly's got two jobs, hidden bull div as well here, so there is that. Now, what were we saying about this guy over here? What was going on about Ethereum, eh? So we've moved back down into the formation range, haven't we? The 50-50 formation range. And we've actually got rejection from it already this morning, so that's one thing. No bullish divergence, as we can see, so that is also another thing. And moving over to the daily, what do we see? Well, here we go. It's not all that bad, is it, really? Support so far on the 20 moving average. So rejection, down, support, support. Okay, so we've got some support going on. So similar to Bitcoin, we're looking for... I know that this is a symmetrical triangle, which is, well, again... Whether you believe it or not, I got it from the 20 and the 21x, the 21 and the 10 exponential moving average anyway on the weekly, so don't necessarily need it there, but 1, 2, 3, okay, or 1, 2, 3, okay, so we're all still doing the same thing. But for me, it's all about those supports on the daily at this stage. Because the daily is still bullish. Here's your 200 exponential, simple, and 20 moving average. We're reasonably positioned when it comes to diverging moving averages. Just do need to sort of see a bigger move sooner rather than later. And when it comes to big moves, I can't say that there is one pending, but we do have regular bullish divergence. We have a series of higher lows, higher highs, and we're meandering quite close to... being above all moving averages, which are 4,200, and at the moment we're getting caught on the 20 moving average itself. So, benefit of the doubt, looks okay to me. Same with Bitcoin. So the only other thing that we need to think about is what's going on with stocks. Well, that's what's going on with stocks. Stocks are up, continuing to be up. Okay, hidden bullish divergence on the daily, continuing up. We've got overheated reads on the money flow index. Okay, so that wants to probably come down a little bit, I have to say. Max move on this one would be down towards the 200 exponential, so perhaps maybe a 3 and a bit % move down. It is hot, let's face it. Let's see if SPX is the same. SPX is not the same. SPX is not as hot. Okay, fine, but it still targets those lower zones. Generally looks good to me. Let's have a look on the daily. Okay, hidden bearish, regular bearish, hidden bullish, dipped, recovered, continuing up. It looks good to me. Weekly, bearish, bearish, dipped, recovered, bearish, bearish, dipped, recovered. Looks good enough to me. I'll take it. Okay, so that looks good to me also. What's the gold doing? So the gold is now bouncing roughly from a 10 exponential and from no man's land on the daily and from the golden cross on the 4 hourly. Classic stuff. V-shaped recovery is very likely from here. I think we get a decent bounce out of this one. At the moment, we're pushing the resistance, and then that's it. Right, I'm going to try and save my voice because I'm going to do a live stream tonight. If you want to join that, links in the description below. Otherwise, hope you have a nice day and take it easy.